Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2027 Brabus Bigboy 1200 is the pinnacle of luxurious mobile living. It goes beyond the traditional meaning of a motorhome to become, without a doubt, a dream house on wheels. This fictitious invention, which goes by the esteemed Brabus brand, is an unmatched combination of extreme performance, custom luxury, and state-of-the-art technology, all contained into a powerful and breathtaking platform. The Brabus Bigboy 1200 would have an unquestionable presence from the outside. Although it was based on a heavy-duty truck chassis, Brabus's distinctive style, which is characterized by forceful yet elegant styling, would painstakingly shape its design. Anticipate a dominant attitude that might be accentuated with custom aerodynamic components, distinctive Brabus badging, and perhaps large carbon fiber accents. Although the sheer size would be striking, each surface and line would be designed for both improved functionality and aesthetic impact. Its elite status would be further highlighted by specially made, sturdy alloy wheels and an elegant lighting signature. It stands out as a genuine automotive masterpiece because of its intimidating look, which belies the enormous power and luxury inside. It would seem like entering a spacious, specially designed penthouse residence when you stepped inside the Brabus Bigboy 1200. The inside would be a showcase for exquisite craftsmanship and unwavering luxury. The best materials would be used to embellish every surface, from exotic wood veneers and polished metal accents to hand-stitched, velvety leather in custom designs. Because of the layout's complete customization, owners could design the mobile home of their dreams. One may imagine several different areas, such as an opulent living room with large, panoramic windows and custom furniture, a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a sumptuous master suite with a king-size bed and lots of storage, as well as possible extra guest rooms. With a spa-like shower and high-end fixtures, the bathroom would compete with one found at a five-star hotel. Beyond the aesthetics, unmatched comfort and technological integration would make the dream house concept a reality. Standard features would include multi-zone, cinematic quality audiovisual entertainment systems, sophisticated climate management systems, and seamless communication, including satellite internet for a truly worldwide reach. Through integrated touchscreens or even voice commands, smart home automation would enable simple control of blinds, entertainment, security, and lighting. With improved monitoring systems and stronger structure, privacy and security would be of utmost importance. Even if performance isn't a motorhome's main priority, it would still have the Brabus name. With a highly potent engine, possibly a Brabus-tuned V12 or a high-output diesel, and extensive modifications and reinforcements, the underlying chassis would be able to propel itself effortlessly even when fully loaded. A state-of-the-art air suspension system would guarantee an exceptionally steady and smooth ride, easily absorbing flaws in the road. It would be a sensation of commanding power and sophisticated comfort to drive the Bigboy 1200. In the end, the Brabus Bigboy 1200 of 2027 would be more than just a car, it would be a statement. It would serve an extremely affluent audience that demands the highest level of performance, mobile luxury, and custom living at any costs. It would genuinely be a mobile version of a dream home, expanding the definition of what constitutes a recreational vehicle.